19 secret things every girl should know about guys. Everyone knows that men are from Mars and women are from Venus, and just as males claim that women are like unsolved Chinese puzzles that they will never comprehend, women say the same thing about men. Indeed, no matter how well you believe you know your partner, there will always be that unreadable look or that fuzzy comment he makes over dinner that makes you wonder, just what on earth is he thinking? Women may drive guys crazy with their unclear behavior, but guys drive women equally crazy. But the good news is that there are 19 things every woman should know about guys, and we're gonna tell you about them. 1. Men enjoy cuddling. Although your man is unlikely to enjoy cuddling as much as you do, many men do like cuddling. It might be difficult for men to confess this because cuddling is typically perceived as girly or feminine, however many guys like cuddling. Cuddling allows you to connect on a physical level that isn't only sexual. It's an opportunity to touch you without the intention of having sex. This may be enjoyable for both men and women. Men too sometimes wish to connect in this way. 2. Men express their feelings through action. Some men prefer to express themselves via deeds rather than words. Your man may express his feelings for you by fixing items around the house, cleaning up the yard, or simply taking out the garbage. Anything that makes your world a better one. 3. Guys too get nervous. When you go on your first date with a man, you are naturally nervous. You're worried that you'll smudge your makeup on your way to meet him, that the wind will blow your hair out of place, and that you'll unintentionally spill your coffee all over him. Guys too are nervous. Sure, they're supposed to be all masculine, and sure, men take the lead and choose where to go, and they even pay the bill with an assurance that seems out of this world, but behind it all, they're just as afraid as you are, and every time they take a sip of their beer, they worry that they're gonna spill it all over the place. 4. Guys don't put a lot of thought into things. Girls frequently become offended when they ask us for our thoughts on issues that are important to them, and we respond, I don't know. Nothing. You shouldn't be too unhappy about it, women. Your men aren't attempting to keep anything from you. Many times, they just have nothing on their mind at the time. Instead of getting irritated, try providing some ideas for them to consider. 5. Men do not want to be the powerful ones all of the time. Men may like being huge and tough, going to the gym to get as jacked as possible, or engaging in sports that allow their testosterone and adrenaline to blossom, but part of the attractiveness of partnerships for men is having someone to support them as well. Despite being the physically stronger person in the relationship, they might still feel vulnerable and want emotional support. So, if you're in a relationship, bear in mind that part of your attraction to your partner may be your capacity to support him emotionally. 6. Guys require constant instruction. Guys aren't mind readers, ladies. Please stop expecting them to constantly know where you want to eat, how you feel, what kind of dress you like, and where you want to go without telling them. Yes, I realize that it can be irritating when men don't pick up on clues, but please don't blame us for this. Remember the previous thing we discussed? We don't often read too much into things. If you have a specific request, please let us know and we will do our best to accommodate you. 7. Guys enjoy problem solving. Everyone has been there. Maybe you got home from a rough day at work and wanted to tell your guy about your negative encounter with your supervisor. He then tries to give you advice that you did not want or desire. I understand how irritating that might be for you and that you simply wanted someone to rant to. You made no request for advice. Please realize that it is totally natural for men to desire to fix problems, especially those involving their partners. 8. Men too cry. It's a new era and it's okay for men to weep. Guys may be emotional as well. Aren't they humans? Never expect men to be the harsh, powerful, strong, and indestructible figures that they portray themselves to be. They too can fail from time to time. 9. Men let go faster than women. Women tend to recall bad situations more vividly and may endure persistent tension, worry, or despair. Men, on the other hand, are less inclined to concentrate on negative occurrences and tend to move on more swiftly. So, when you may still want to discuss last night's disagreement, your guy may have forgotten about it. 10. Men have a lot of thoughts about sex. Okay, so this one isn't really a secret. Men under the age of 60 are more likely than women to think about sex at least once a day. That is not all. Men dream about sex about twice as frequently as women, and their imaginations are far more diverse. They also consider casual sex more than women do. However, thinking is not the same as acting. 11. Sex is important to men. It's a myth that most guys believe sex is just sex. For many, sex is a highly meaningful act between two dedicated individuals. And, like most women, males find sexual closeness most pleasurable in a committed relationship. One reason is that long-term couples understand how to delight one another better than strangers. 12. Guys aren't always interested in sex. Men, contrary to the surprise of many women, aren't always in the mood for sex. Men, like women, are frequently pressured by the responsibilities of job, family, and finances. And stress is a major libido killer. When a guy says, "not tonight," it doesn't simply imply he's given up on you. It just means he doesn't want to have sex right now. 13. When their needs are not met, men may stray. If a man does not feel loved and respected in his relationship, he may seek fulfillment elsewhere. For one guy, this may imply immersing himself in his work. Another person may get obsessed with sports or video games. Some guys deceive. To avoid this, partners must collaborate to satisfy each other's requirements. 14. Commitment is taken seriously by men. Men have a reputation for being hesitant to make commitments. However, data shows that men take marriage seriously. They may take longer to commit because they want to ensure that they are really committed. A poll of currently married men found that 90% would marry the same lady again. 15. Bonds are formed via shared activities. More than discussing ideas or feelings, men build their connections with their spouses by doing activities together. Many guys find that activities like athletics and sex bring them closer to their mates. 16. Men require personal time. While group activities are necessary, males also require alone time. Encourage your man to follow his interests, whether it's golf, fishing, or working out at the gym, while you make time for your own. When both partners have room to grow as individuals, they have more to offer each other. 17. Guys enjoy girly things as well. Do you enjoy romantic comedies? Are you going shopping for new clothes? Do you like getting a new haircut? Yes, men enjoy these girly activities as well. They really enjoy it when they're with their favorite woman. 18. When you try to make a guy jealous, they don't react well. This is the worst approach. Stop doing it. You can end up permanently losing your man. While you may be tempted to test the waters and push the boundaries of your relationship, the danger is just not worth it. Guys dislike it when their girlfriends purposefully make them envious. 19. Guys want to make you laugh. Ladies, don't be afraid to laugh now and then. Even if your partner is the corniest person in the world, he will always attempt to make you smile with a joke or a smart comment. It would help guys feel better about your relationship if they know they can make you happy at unexpected times as well. Did you enjoy what you just watched? Do not forget to subscribe, and we pledge to be your lucky charm to a lovely love life. Thanks for watching.